What if I told you that by 2025, everything you have worked for, your home, your savings, your job could be in danger? I know it sounds very scary, right? But this is not a movie. Australia is heading towards its biggest economic crisis in decades. Families are struggling with debt, businesses are closing, and the housing market is shaky. But here is the good news, you don't have to be a victim. In this video, I will show you what's happening, who is at risk, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself. So stick around because this could save your financial future. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we are talking about something super important, Australia's 2025 economic crisis. I know that sounds very heavy, but the warning signs are everywhere, from rising prices to a shaky housing market. Things are getting tough. But you don't have to worry. You don't have to just sit back and watch it happen. If you understand what's going on and take action now, you can protect yourself and your family. Whether you are just starting to learn about money, love keeping up with the economy, or a pro looking for tips, this video is for you. Let's break it down in simple terms. Let's start with the facts. Australia's economy, once a global success story, is now showing cracks in its foundation. Here are the 4 red flags you need to know about. If we talk about the first one, it's the housing market crisis. For years, house prices in Australia kept going up, but now they are starting to fall. At the same time, interest rates are going up, making it harder for the people to pay their mortgages. Some homeowners owe more than their house is worth, which is called negative equity, and it's a very scary situation. The second biggest red flag is inflation and rising cost. Have you ever noticed how everything is getting more expensive? Food, fuel, electricity, it is all costing more. But wages are not going up as fast, so families are struggling to keep up. Many are using credit cards just to pay for the basics. Third one is business closure and job losses. Over 1,500 Australian businesses shut down last year. Industries like retail, hospitality, and construction are being hit hard. Jobs are disappearing, and even people with good jobs are feeling less secure. And the fourth biggest red flag is government debt and interest rates. Australia's government owes over 900 billion, and the cost of paying that debt is going up. Higher interest rate means it is more expensive for everyone to borrow the money, even at homeowners, businesses, and even the government. All these problems are interconnected, and they could lead a big economic crash by 2025. Now let's talk about who will feel the impact the most. Homeowners with big mortgages. If you have a large mortgage, rising interest rates could make it hard to keep up with payments. Some people might even lose their homes. Small businesses owners. Small businesses are struggling with higher cost and fewer customers. Many are being forced to close or lay off the workers. Young workers and job seekers. If you are under 35, finding a stable job is getting harder. Companies are hiring less and competition for the job is tough. And that's a very big problem as well. It also will impact retirees and pensioners. Rising costs are eating into retirement savings. Many retirees are finding it hard to make ends meet and are even going back to work. The harsh reality is that no one is immune. But the good news is that I will show you some steps that you can take to protect yourself. So let's begin. Here is the most important part, what you can do right now to safeguard your finances. First of all, you need to diversify your income. Don't ever rely on a single source of income. Start a side hustle, invest in dividend-paying stocks, or explore freelance opportunities. Secondly, you need to reduce your debt. Pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Refinance loans if you can secure a lower interest rate and avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary. Also keep that in mind, invest wisely. Avoid risky investments and focus on stable options like blue chip stocks, precious metals, or defensive sectors like healthcare and utilities. I would also suggest that build an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This will give you a financial cushion if things take a turn for the worse. Last but not least, stay informed. Keep an eye on economic trends and be ready to adapt. The more you know, the better prepared you will be. These are some of the most important steps that you can take to safeguard your finances, and I hope you will definitely do this. Alright, let's wrap this up. Australia's economic future is uncertain, but one thing is clear, that preparation is the key. So if you find this video helpful, give it the thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Finally, I would love to hear from you. What steps are you taking to protect yourself from this crisis? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.